We are trying to design a gravity-powered model car. To do this, we're going to use a Coke can, some straws, wooden sticks, tape, and some toy wheels. First, we cut 4 holes in the side of the can, making sure to make a rectangle between all the holes. Then, we put the straws through the holes, making the axes for the wheels. We put the sticks through the straws and tape the wheels onto the end of the sticks. This is Cola Rocket Mark 1. We made a ramp that was 115 centimeters long and tested Mark 1 several times. From 3 tests, Mark 1 averaged a 1-second time from start to finish. To try and increase the speed of the Cola Rocket, we decided to make it heavier. To do this, we taped $1 worth of 50-cent coins onto the front of the can. After 3 more tests, Mark 1 plus $1 averaged 0.97 seconds. We thought that adding even more weight would increase this margin further due to a heavier car creating more gravitational potential energy when at the top of the ramp. The heavier an object gets, the more force is required to accelerate it. That's why there's a cutoff point for when adding more weight to our Cola Rocket becomes detrimental to its speed. We found that the cutoff point for this speed is $4 worth of 50-cent coins. This is Cola Rocket Mark II, which averaged a time of 0.95 seconds. When we tested the Cola Rocket again, it started to bob up and down while going down the ramp. To fix this problem, we moved some coins to the back of the can to replicate a spoiler that gives downward force on the back of the car. This creates more traction and also weighs down the back, making the ride smoother. We started testing different materials for wheels and decided on rubber due to it being lightweight and having lots of friction. The extra grip from the friction means that the Cola Rocket will roll instead of slide down the ramp. We also changed the sizes of the wheels and found that wheels that are extremely small or big are detrimental to the Cola Rocket's speed. Small wheels accelerated the Cola Rocket to its maximum speed quickly, but this maximum speed was quite low. Bigger wheels, however, accelerated the Cola Rocket slowly or reached a faster maximum speed. We also tested the location of the wheels, changing the length of the sticks and the location of the straws. To accommodate the right wheels, the straws had to be placed near the bottom of the can. We found that the car drove smoother when the wheels were kept as close as possible to the can itself. After all these modifications, we created the Cola Rocket Mark III, which averaged a time of 0.92 seconds. To finish off our Cola Rocket, we wanted to decrease the air resistance of the Cola Rocket while it went down the ramp. To achieve this, we stuck a cone onto the front of the rocket. This meant that there is now less surface area that needs to push against the air and allows for less drag when racing down the ramp. And, most importantly, we added some nifty flames coming out the back. This is the Cola Rocket Mark IV, which achieved a record-breaking 0.9 seconds. After making 8 different modifications to our original Cola Rocket, including weight, friction, center of gravity, center of mass, aerodynamics, and balance, we increased its speed by a total of 10%.